is Mario from Guitario. I'm going to teach you Baitikochi Chuste. Let's go. So how do you play that? So capos on 2nd fret, standard tuning. Start with the 2nd fret on the G string, slide up to 4 and back and pull off. I'll show that again slow-mo. Okay, I hope you got that. Now let's move on to the chords. E minor, which is 2nd on A and 2nd on D. Okay, those are the chords. Those are 3 chords. So it's an easy song. I'm going to teach you the strumming pattern later. So you know E minor right now. And B minor, if you're not comfortable with playing this, you can always play So how does that go? Third fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the G string, and 2nd fret on the A string. So it's like this. It's like a nice open B minor. You can use that in other songs as well. But I'm gonna go for B minor for this video. Next chord is A minor. 2nd on the G string, 2nd on the D string, and 1 on the B string. Why I'm playing it again and again is so that you can get the feel of the song. So this goes for 1 bar, which is, half bar. That's 1. Another half bar, and this A minor goes for a full bar. So the A minor is where you can do all your tricks. Now coming to the strumming pattern, it is down, up, 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 down, up. So what is that? I want to teach you that little one because it's easy. That's basically a hammer on to these two. D 2nd on the D string and 2nd on the G string. So basically that's it for the whole song. Baitikochi Chuste, time 3 o'clock. Kelly Kelly, root motor, road block. Baitikochi Chuste, time 3 o'clock. Kelly Kelly, root motor, road block. Boy, need you on the bangles, I'll miss it, our sandals, Baitikochi Chuste, corner coffee shop, very God, silly. Okay, so that's how it goes with the lyrics. First one. So that is, so from 5 relative to the capo to 7, you're doing a pull off. Then you're going to 7 on the A string and back to your 5 on the D string, and you're sliding back. Second one is, so that is sliding up from 2 on the G string to 4 and hitting the 3 on the B to 5. Okay. I'll do the first one again because it might not have been that clear. Sorry about that. That's the second one. And the third one is, it's your 9 on the D string to 11, 9 to 11 on the D string, and 9 to 11 on the G. And from the G you can go back. So if you guess this right, this is the A minor scale, A minor pentatonic. So if you know the A minor pentatonics, you can use it on this song. So final credits. Thank you all for watching, and I have another 3 more songs coming up. One of them being Mate Vinuduga by Sid Sriram. So
Solid.
So please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.
Please